Hi everyone, Summer here, and I am back with the August version of the Passion for Polymer magazine, in which this issue is talking about using stamps and inks on polymer clay. It's going to be pretty cool. There's some really cool stuff in here. We've got from the editor, the Polymer Chef, Behind These Eyes Like a Watercolor Macrame Gain by Miss Cindy. A basket we can do, some birds and beads garden art, the color corner challenge too, giving back, like it's got this article, this Hearts for Animals article is really cute, some beads, some teapot challenge, and of course the gallery. So here's the Polymer Chef, which I know everybody likes, and we get this lovely video tutorial on how to do this. Look at how pretty this is. Isn't that gorgeous? I totally want to try this. This looks really cool. But of course, you know, we have the materials, we have the tools, we get the walkthrough on how to do it. Then we got some summer garden art. Look at that. Isn't it gorgeous? Holy cow. Like, could you imagine? So I'm just going to flip through it real quick. Here is the polymer clay basket. Now this uses something interesting. It uses a ice cream bowl. So that's pretty cool, right? And then we have the birds and the bees. Isn't that super sweet? This is the water. I think they use watercolor. No, alcohol inks in this one. Yeah, so that's pretty nifty. Oh, here we go. We've got some as we work to create light for others, we naturally light our own way. And it is the Down by the Bay color mixtures. Sweet. And then we have some really colorful stuff right here. Holy cow, look at that. Oh, these are so cute, these little houses. Oh my goodness. Leaves, those are leaves. Oh, it's a bird. That kind of reminds me of like a phoenix. Isn't that cool? Look at the little bears. Ah. Oh, those are super, super cute. Holy cow, I love it. I love it. Oh, she does some kitty cat stuff. Oh yeah, this is fabulous. Oh, I love that. I can't wait to read that article. Then we have, of course, the Color Corner Challenge, which you can participate in, but you will need to get the magazine in order to find out what those actual colors are, because I'm not going to give you that information. It's part of the magazine. And then you can post it in the Create Along Tribe and get featured. This feature is going to be Miss Sherry Joe's feature. Sorry, the glare and everything. There we go. Miss Sherry Joe was featured, and she did this one from the July issue. This is the one from the July issue. So pretty spiffy. Congratulations, Sherry Joe. So then, yeah, so then all you do is you just post your picture in the comments of the challenge, and you can get picked to be put in the magazine. This is the article about the Hearts for Animals and koalas. I like it. Here is some summer beaded earrings. Oh, aren't those pretty? Oh, look at that. Oh, I really like the design in this. Really, really like it. It kind of has a fairy feel to me, which, you know, I love that idea completely. Of course, we get the tutorial. Yay. Oh, it's got a cute little stamp. Ah, yeah, I love it. Okay, sweet. And then we have the blue geranium pendant. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I really like blue colors. They're like they kind of just draw me in, especially like in summer times. Oh, it's so pretty. Wow. Oh, I really like that. How easy. That looks really easy to do. I might try this one. I've been trying my hand at canes here and there. Here's the teapot challenge that they were talking about. Apparently New England does, their artist guild does a teapot challenge. And look at all the fabulous teapot stuff they did. Holy cow. Aren't these so amazing? Wow. I kind of want to like cover a teapot now. And then we come to my favorite part of the magazine, which is the gallery. I love seeing what everybody does with their work, and I love that Passion for Polymer magazine actually supports artists and puts their work in the magazine. It's so amazing. We have a lot of really cool stuff. That bee, oh my gosh, that bee is so pretty. Oh, that's super cute. Yes, I love it. I love it. All right, that's awesome. That's awesome. That's awesome. All right, that's the end of the magazine. That's all there really is this month. Sorry I'm late getting this out. I will leave all the links down in the description so you can go participate. or buy the magazine for yourself. I love these magazines. I get them every single month, and I don't regret ever getting them. And I know that these are all techniques that I can come back to over and over and over again. So thank you guys so much for creating the Passion for Polymer magazine. I love this. So you guys have a great day.